Hello everyone, it's me Chebby from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to get iPhone style swipe animations in Chrome web browser for Android smartphones and tablets. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly just open the Chrome web browser and on the address bar just type chrome://flex. So you need to type this command and after that just click on go. Now we'll see here the various options. So now under the search box just search for right edge goes forward cashier nap, and on the first list you'll see here the option. Now just click on this default option. Now select this enable. Now just click on this relaunch. Now let us open some website. So now if I swipe from right to left, now you can see here on both the sides a translucent swipe animation is showing up. So now if you want to disable it, then just move back to the same option which I've shown you earlier and click on this enabled option, set on this default, click on relaunch, then it will restore back to the default swipe animation. So by using these cool tricks, you can easily get iPhone style swipe animations in Chrome web browser for Android smartphones and tablets very easily. So if you've never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.